Alright, so today we're making some lip and blush tints. I wanted to make this as organic, as natural as possible. So I got some ingredients and we're gonna start our test 2 today, which will be very simple ingredients and then see how that goes. So check me out. First thing first, I got pure glycerin. Oh. This is alright, so for the test purpose we're gonna use it, but this expired in June, but I think I got it around or before June, so that's kind of I got it after June, so by the time I bought it I guess it was already expired. But we're gonna just test it out and believe in faith, and it was inexpensive, so we're just gonna go with it for the purpose of this video. Yes, so this, and we're gonna use this beet powder that I also got around the same time. So vegetable glycerin is made from plant-based oils and fats, primarily from coconut, soybean, and palm oil. So we want to keep it as natural, so that's perfect for me. So that's that, and we're gonna just use that for today. And then if this comes out, we could like start adding different things that's also beneficial for your skin, and then see how things go. What I did wrong was this recipe was supposed to be infused for 4 to 6 weeks, so I think I might have to do a different batch after this one and then try to do the one that could be used right away.
5 hours later.
So it's interesting because on here it says to like strain it and everything, but I don't think this paste that I just made just now is strainable. Like, it's so thick. This is a dub, just so you know. But hey, we're just experimenting, so let's see how this will look on my face. Let's see what it looks like on my hand first. Sticky. Very sticky. I don't like that. I need this to be more smooth. But I do feel like it's gonna stain. Okay, let's try this cheek. Sticky as fuck. Crumbly too. Ooh. So this is how thick the paste is. It's so thick, gums, and then it's not. Hold on, let me show you. It's not smooth. It's just thick and sits right there, which is not the texture I want. I'm just gonna go like this. Ooh. And we're gonna see how that's gonna stain. Let me put a little more, just for the sake of this experiment. But then it could be something that just sits on the face and then gets like rubbed off later, and maybe that stains on the face. Okay, that looks absolutely fucking crazy. Okay, I tried. Okay, this is. We're gonna wipe it off and see. Let's wipe it off and see. Let's do that. Okay, so I don't think I should wipe it off because I just washed my hand and it came off just okay. So I feel like if it's not like staining my face, what's the use? Okay. I'm gonna put a timer, 5 minutes, and then wipe it off and see if this, it's me again. So I have here a little bit of wet wipes and, well, I wetted the towel. And then we're gonna see. It's a moment of truth, so I'm gonna take this guy off. Hopefully it's in a little bit. Not even an inch. Cool. Like, wait, hold on. Low-key, I think it's in just a tad. Let's see on this side. Like just a bit, right? Like a hint. Like I have a little cheeky cheeks going on. Fuck. Just a little bit. Okay, it's not perfect, obviously, but it is something. So we celebrate small successes, small wins, small goals. Okay, so anyway, this was experiment 1. There will be more to come, trying to perfect this, trying to find something that really could stay on, be good for your skin, and just enhance that little glow you have. So stay tuned for the next experiment. Peace. Okay, so I have a quick little update. My cheeks are itchy. My cheeks are itchy as fuck, so we're not gonna use that ever again. This is just, it was just a test. It was just a test. Okay. What you gotta say, Des?
Peace, love, fuck bitches, give money.
You heard them. So that's what we're doing next time. Adios, amigos.